Bandar, the beauty charm of Pacitan. The beautiful landscapes, the green natural scenery, the soothing cool breeze reflects Bandar as a place full of charm. The traditional dance creates color in every body move. Bandar has its own story, which provides a memorable experience and a wonderful experience to remember. The flowing water, the fresh air, and beautiful nature is happiness. Friendly and peaceful people always smile and be happy, create extraordinary charm. Bandar is the beauty charm of Pacitan. Pacitan is wonderful.